Hi, my name's Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at the 243DC NauticStar outboard. It's a gorgeous, huge boat on a trailer. Has a nice hard tower with Bimini attached. This is our new line of boats here at MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. It's powered by a Yamaha VMAX 250 horsepower engine. So this NauticStar has a nice walkthrough. Flips up so you don't have to step foot on the upholstery. As you can see, there's snap in, snap out, infinity woven flooring. Dries very quickly now. This is a 12-person boat. Here in the bow, this is your full deck boat. So it's very wide, very roomy. There's lots of cup holders and 2 speakers at the front here. You got in-floor storage in the bow. Your co-captain chair with flip-up bolster, as well as a wraparound seating here in the back. Again, this piece flips down to make it a full-board deck boat. Here we have a sink, and here at the helm have an infinity radio, as well as all your tacks, steering wheel, and in this compartment, although the cover is here as well, a pump out head. Again, this is a great boat, a great option for people that are looking to get into a really big boat for a very, very good price. Pause. Once again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota, and this is the NauticStar 243DC outboard. Stop out to MarineMax and see us today.